Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Tubby little cubby all stuffed with fluff. He's Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Willy-nilly, silly old bear. Pooh, Pooh.
Now the 100-acre wood boasted many natural wonders, but none was more beautiful than a tiny stream running through the forest. This particular stream had a very long way to travel. And by the time it reached the edge of the forest, it had grown up so it was almost a river. Being grown up, it said to itself, "There is